was wondering how come they don't get out. It's wide open all the time.
Did y'all see the giant anteaters and the eels? Oh man,
I didn't realize it was that big.
that thing's huge. It's like a walking carpet. Oh yeah. Ultra rare sight. Kinda active. Look at this guy. Oh, I've never seen him moving around. I've never seen him lazy. So, silverback. There's usually other gorillas in here, but I don't see any right now. Oh, there he is. He's looking at us. We'll just talk to him. Say it. You all right, buddy? He's relaxing. He's waiting on the football game.
There's a coming down.
There it goes. Normal.
You've just learned in this tape 3 critical areas of life and self-defense.